some cool key takeaways from the event for you so far?
Well, first, I think one of the phenomenal successes of this meeting has been the folks that it has attracted, cross-section of industry, government leaders. I mean, a who's who of Pentagon leadership, including, you know, Secretary Hicks and Undersecretary Hsu, Undersecretary LaPlante. And actually, I've been talking to lots of folks from academia, from industry, and some of my old government colleagues. You know, I spent a couple of years in the Pentagon. And the buzz about emerging technologies, the importance of these critical technologies, I think has been evident across this conference.
I think it's been great. The panels are so amazing. There's so many exciting technologies out there. And so there's a lot of opportunities for us to work with the emerging tech companies who may have some risky suppliers upstream from them, as well as for the government, so that they can buy these new and innovative technologies, but also buy them safely and iron that risk out of their supply chain.
So, you know, we're here networking and getting to know how we could be helpful both to the agency to support their mission and great work, and then, you know, help build those connective pathways as well.
Well, I liked all the speakers. The keynotes have been amazing. There's a lot of information. It's pretty high level, but I understand because you can't get too deep into some of the things. But the topics, the microelectronics, the AI sessions were extremely good.
I think Heidi Hsu's talk was very nice. I really enjoyed listening to her perspective.
I have to say the access to senior leaders within the U.S. government is pretty phenomenal and fairly unparalleled. Everyone here seems to be speaking very genuinely and with the collaborators in mind, really trying to cut some of that DoD speak and say this is really how you engage with us.
I like the dialogue about kind of the future and how we're integrating multiple technologies to solve real warfighting challenges. I think it's the dialogue's been invigorating.
They've been really good speakers from the seniors, if you will, but also lots of interesting people in the different side sessions covering all sorts of interesting things that usually will leave you with 2 or 3 questions you hadn't thought about a particular challenge or area you're thinking over.
I think it's getting the word directly from the source. I think the subject matter expertise from different DoD personnel and trying to repackage that and make it something digestible and informative for the small business community. I think that was pretty useful.
So I'm here with Applied Training Solutions, and we're just here to see all of the awesome emerging technology and the cool vendors that are here. My favorite thing is that it's a smaller conference, but I mean that in a good way, so we had a lot of time to really talk to some of these vendors here and to some of the other people who are participating. It makes a really big difference. You get to know people and really learn about their product, so that's been amazing.
We've been able to have the different perspectives of the uniformed warfighter, senior leaders, and industry perspectives, and you're able to converge, connect to topics of high interest, but also you get an insight into other technical areas, industry challenges, and it gives you a much broader perspective of what are possible paths of solution and success, all geared towards the warfighter.
This conference, I mean, it's been really great hearing senior leaders in defense like Heidi Hsu talking about the different ways they're trying to lead DoD towards the future. And also, I mean, just finding all these companies with in the exhibition hall here, talking about the different innovative ways they're tackling supply chains, like making rubber from dandelions or moving additive manufacturing, 3D printing just around the world to within a mile of where it needs to be, where the thing is going to be used. So yeah, no, it's been a really great experience. I'd love to come back next year.